On this episode of Cribs, we are taking you inside the tent fort built in anticipation of Hurricane Irene. As we round the corner, we come up to Master Tent Fort Builder Jay Long.
Hello, welcome to my crib. Let's go take a look. Right here we got it all decked out with our decorations. Rubber duckies. A boat if we get a big enough puddle. And goggles, so nothing blows into our face and into our eyes. We got our bare essentials as far as snacks. We got fish, goldfish, and goldfish bread.
What's that on the wall?
That's a kite for our third attempt.
All right, what do we have over here?
Well, as you can see, about 6 blankets. Perfect way to get it started. Now, we'll go check out the inside. We got a nice little mattress. Tons of pillows, because it's a little hard under here. We have our TV set up with our Wii. DVDs. Here's our little library. All the essential games. We have a few fans running to keep it cool under here. And that's it. Now it's time for you to get out of my crib.